Look out for the flying trucks. What? I said look out for the flying trucks. Trucks don't fly. Yes, they do, and they're going to fly Saturday afternoon, July the 11th, 2020. And the show will start at 2 o'clock. The gates are open at noon. And where are we going? Well, we're going to Burlington Motor Park, Burlington, Pennsylvania. You talk about high-flying excitement. World-famous monster truck Backdraft will be at Burlington Motor Park in Burlington, Pennsylvania. Not one, not two, but 3 monster trucks, tough trucks, mini monster trucks, a figure-8 race, and so bring the whole family. Tickets are on sale now. First 300 tickets are $10. After that, they're $12. 3 years and under are free. So go to www.eventbrite.com. Monster Truck Freestyle Mania Motorsports Spectacular. Oh, and look out for the flying trucks.